Yeah, that's right. CBOT wheat is up around 8% since the middle of January. Corn's up almost sort of 9 or 10%. So we've seen those two markets performing quite strongly, albeit off pretty low bases if you look back over the last couple of years. Major drivers here have really just been the strong exports that we've seen out of the US. So US wheat has been the cheapest in the world and has meant that export pace has probably surpassed what most in the market expected. We saw the United States Department of Agriculture increasing their forecasts in December and January, and so that's reduced the stock levels in the US and seen a rally in prices. We've also seen some concerns around logistics in the US and Canada for wheat, and also some early concerns for new crop hard red winter wheat in the US, which has also supported the market. In corn, we've seen prices rallying strongly up to almost $4.50, but again very low compared to recent years. Chinese consumption and demand for both wheat and corn has been incredibly strong this year, and that's really underpinning both of those markets as well, and likely to see stocks tighten as we move in towards the end of the year. Yeah, that's right. Obviously, sugar prices around that sort of little over 15.5 cents per pound is well down on where we've been in recent years, really reflecting the fundamental situation we have in the global sugar market at the moment, with our third successive surplus and record ending stocks. So the overwhelming sort of supply situation in that market has been weighing on prices. We expect that to continue, although as we've touched on, the issues in Brazil may be a little supportive there. But we have also seen the Indian government come out recently with some bearish news around their support for the market, so which has weighed on prices. So our expectation for the sugar outlook is that prices remain in this sort of 15.5 to 17.5 cents per pound range during the first half of this year. Fundamentals will remain bearish during that time. As we move into the second half of the year, we see some upside for sugar, with the upside of the range still being pretty limited to around 18.5 cents per pound, just purely because we've got to work through this overhang of stocks that we have globally.